Okay, the next test that we're gonna do is salinity. And there are like chemical test kits for it, but this is so much cooler. We did this a lot when I was in college. I would do a lot of field work like this for marine science. This is called the refractometer. All right, and if you look in it, it's kind of like looking in a telescope. There are two sides to it. I have to figure out how I can show you guys the two sides. One is salinity in percent. No, sorry, parts per thousand, which is what I want. And the other is a density thing, all right? So freshwater has a density of 1. And you look into it, and when you have water that's salty, like if I were to take ocean water and do this, it's all blue from the top to the bottom, but there would be a white part at the point where the salinity would be. And you look at the where the border is between the white and the blue to determine salinity. So this is super scientific way of collecting a water sample. You can put your finger in the water, and you put a couple drops on here. Got my finger wet. Put a couple drops on here. Do that again. Okay, there we go. We got a couple drops. And you put this down. Okay. Make sure it's like saturated all the way. See, it's like light blue up there and then dark blue down there. And you look in. And the salinity is 0, which really should make sense. And I'm going to do 2 more salinity readings. You just literally take this off and wipe it with your hand. And you do 2 more readings. And I bet you guys already have an idea what the other 2 readings are going to be. I'll be back. Okay, I took 2 more salinity readings, and as I had thought, hopefully you guys predicted it too, both were 0. So you can do that math for your average salinity. And the next test, I believe, is pH. All right, so I'll get the kit and I'll show you.